Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Vocab listening channel. Today, we have a simple and relaxing story for you. In this video, you will listen to an easy conversation that happens inside a kitchen. Two friends are cooking together and talking about many useful kitchen items. Please listen carefully and enjoy the story. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. I will speak slowly and clearly so it is easy to understand. Just relax and follow the conversation. Before the story begins, I want to ask you a small question. Please listen closely during the conversation to find the answer. This little challenge will help you improve your listening skills. Here is the question for today. Which kitchen tool is inside the drawer? The answer appears somewhere in the conversation. If you discover the answer, please write it in the comments. Try writing your answer in English. Practicing like this can help you improve faster. All right, are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Wow, Anna, your kitchen looks wonderful.
Thank you, David. Welcome. Please come in.
This kitchen is really big.
I'm glad you like it.
I love the space here.
I spend a lot of time in this kitchen.
Really?
Yes, I cook here almost every day.
That's impressive. I rarely cook at home.
That's okay. Today, you can learn a little.
I would like that.
But first, let me show you my kitchen.
Yes, please. I want to see everything.
Great, follow me. This table here is where I eat my meals.
It's a very nice table.
Thank you. I actually bought it last month.
It still looks brand new.
It's large enough for 4 people.
That's a good size. My apartment only has a tiny table.
Small tables work fine, too. Now, come over here. This is the sink.
Oh, it's very shiny.
I wash dishes, vegetables, and cups here.
It looks extremely clean.
I try to clean it every day. A clean sink makes the kitchen feel better.
I agree with that. My sink at home is not always this clean.
That's okay. Next to the sink is the stove.
The stove looks easy to use. Is it electric?
No, it's a gas stove. I like gas because I can see the flame.
That makes sense.
I use this stove every evening to cook dinner.
And what about that big white box over there?
That's the refrigerator. I keep my food inside so it stays cold and fresh.
May I open it?
Of course, go ahead.
Wow, there is so much food in here. I see eggs, milk, and vegetables.
I went grocery shopping yesterday. I bought many ingredients for cooking today.
That explains it. You have a nice table, a clean sink, a good stove, and a big refrigerator. This kitchen is fantastic.
Thank you, David. Honestly, this is my favorite room in the house.
I can understand why.
So, are you ready to start cooking?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's begin. All right, David. The first thing we need is a knife.
A knife? Do you have one here?
Yes, of course. The knife is inside this drawer. Let me open it.
Oh, I see it.
Here you go.
Thank you. Wow, this knife feels very sharp.
Yes, it is quite sharp, so please be careful.
Don't worry, I will handle it slowly.
A sharp knife is very useful in cooking, but it can also be dangerous if you are not careful.
I understand. I will pay attention.
Good. Now, we also need a cutting board.
Do you have one?
Yes, I keep it right here on the counter. This is my cutting board.
Oh, it's made of wood.
Yes, it's a wooden cutting board. I use it almost every day.
It looks big and strong.
A good cutting board is very important. It gives you a safe surface for cutting food.
That makes sense. A knife and a cutting board are a perfect pair.
Exactly. Those are probably the most important tools in a kitchen.
I agree with you. Do we need anything else?
Yes, we need a bowl.
A bowl for the vegetables?
That's right. Let me grab one from the shelf. Here is a large bowl.
Nice. It's big enough for many vegetables.
That's the idea. After we cut the vegetables, we will place them in this bowl.
Good plan. Oh, do we need a spoon, too?
Yes, we do. A big spoon will help us mix everything. Here is one.
That's a big spoon indeed.
I use this spoon whenever I cook.
It must be very useful.
It really is. I probably use it almost every day.
What about forks? Do we need forks right now?
Not for cooking, but we will need forks when we eat.
Oh, right. Eating requires forks.
Exactly. I will put 2 forks on the table later.
One for you and one for me.
Yes. So let's see what we have. We have a knife, a cutting board, a bowl, and a spoon.
And forks for later.
That's correct.
Sounds like we're ready to begin.
Yes, we are ready. Let's prepare the vegetables.
What vegetables do we have today?
We have 3 different vegetables. The first one is a carrot. Look at this long orange vegetable.
Yes, I see it. The carrot is bright orange.
Carrots are always orange. Please cut the carrot into small pieces.
Small pieces cook faster, right?
Exactly.
Okay, let me place the carrot on the cutting board. I will cut it like this.
Yes, that looks good. You are doing very well.
Thank you. I am being very careful with the knife.
That's the right attitude. Safety first.
All right, the carrot is finished.
Great work. Now we need the second vegetable. Here is an onion.
Oh no, onions make me cry.
That happens to everyone. Onions always make people tear up.
I really don't enjoy cutting onions.
But the onion adds great flavor. We need it for our dish.
Okay, I will try. I will cut it slowly.
Take your time. There is no rush.
All right, the onion is finished, but my eyes are watering.
I'm sorry about that, but you did an excellent job.
Thank you.
One last vegetable remains. Here is a tomato.
I love tomatoes. They're my favorite.
Some people say tomatoes are actually fruits.
Really? That's interesting. But to me, they taste like vegetables.
I think the same. Anyway, please cut the tomato. This time, make bigger pieces.
Bigger pieces?
Yes, the carrot and onion were small pieces, but the tomato should be larger.
Understood. Tomatoes become soft quickly.
Exactly.
All right. I finished cutting the tomato.
Wonderful. Now place everything into the bowl.
Okay. The carrot, onion, and tomato are all in the bowl now.
Look at the colors. Orange, white, and red.
It looks beautiful.
Now we are ready for the next step. Let's cook the vegetables.
So, how do we cook these vegetables?
We will cook them on the stove.
Great. Can you show me how to turn it on?
Of course, you just turn this knob to the right, like this.
Oh, I see the flame.
Yes, the stove is on now.
I can already feel the heat.
Gas stoves heat up very quickly.
That's good for cooking.
Now we need a pan.
A pan? Can you remind me what a pan looks like?
Sure, this is a pan. See how it is round and flat?
Oh, yes, I remember.
We use a pan to cook many foods. For example, eggs, vegetables, or meat.
I often see people cooking eggs in a pan.
Exactly. I cook eggs in this pan almost every morning.
That's very convenient.
A pan is one of the most useful tools in a kitchen.
I believe it. And what about that big, deep one over there?
That one is a pot.
A pot.
Yes, a pot is deeper than a pan. We usually use a pot for soup, pasta, or boiling water.
Oh, I understand. A pan is shallow and a pot is deep.
Exactly right. You're learning fast.
I'm trying.
Today, we only need the pan. The pot can stay on the shelf.
Got it. I will place the pan on the stove.
Go ahead, but be careful.
Okay, the pan is on the stove now. Is it hot yet?
Let me check. Almost. The heat from the stove will warm the pan.
I can feel the warmth from here.
Yes, it will be ready soon. But remember, do not touch the pan with your hands.
Don't worry, I won't. The heat looks strong.
Good. Now we can add the vegetables.
I will pour them into the pan. Ready?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, listen to that sound.
That sound means the pan is hot enough.
It smells nice already.
Cooking always smells wonderful. Now we will cook the vegetables slowly.
For how long?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
Please stir them sometimes. Use the big spoon.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
This is actually fun.
Cooking together is always fun.
I like hearing the vegetables sizzle.
Me too. The sound and smell make cooking special.
The vegetables are getting softer now.
That means they are cooking well.
I think they are almost ready.
Yes, they look perfect. Let's turn off the stove.
Done. That was enjoyable.
It was. But now look around.
The kitchen is a bit messy.
Cooking often makes a mess. That's normal.
Then we should clean up.
Yes, let's clean up the kitchen together.
I can wash the dishes.
Good idea. Please wash them in the sink.
How do I start the water?
Just turn that handle.
Okay. Oh, the water is very cold.
That is the cold side. Turn the other handle for hot water.
Ah, that's better. Now the water is warm.
Great.
I will wash this plate first.
Thank you. Use dish soap and plenty of water.
This plate has a lot of food on it. It's a little hard to clean.
Try using more soap. That should help.
Okay. Look, it's clean now.
Excellent work. You're good at washing dishes.
I actually enjoy it.
Really? Most people don't like washing dishes.
I like seeing things become clean.
That's a great attitude.
What should I wash next?
Please wash those cups. We used them for tea earlier.
Right. Cups are easier to clean than plates.
Yes, they usually have less food on them.
Done. Both cups are clean.
They look perfect. Thank you, David.
No problem. While you wash the dishes, I clean the table and stove.
Everything looks tidy again. A clean kitchen feels wonderful.
I agree. Now let's eat.
Yes,
I'm hungry.
the food is already on the table.
Tasting food. Wow, this is delicious.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
It's very good. Cooking together made it taste even better.
I think so too. We worked hard today.
Yes, we did. I learned many things. Like what? For example, I practiced using the knife. Before today, I wasn't confident with it.
But you did great. You cut the vegetables perfectly.
The cutting board helped a lot. It was strong and easy to use.
I'm happy you liked it.
And cooking with the pan was exciting. Watching the vegetables cook was fun.
I agree. Cooking has wonderful sounds and smells.
I also enjoyed cleaning.
You are the first person I know who says that.
Clean plates and cups make me feel good.
That's great for me. You can come wash dishes anytime.
Deal. But next time we should cook something new.
That sounds fun. What do you want to cook next?
Maybe pasta? Then we can use the pot.
That's a fantastic idea. Pasta needs a big pot with boiling water.
And maybe I can try using another knife.
I have several knives. Next time you can try a larger one.
Today was really fun, Anna. Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping me cook and clean.
Cooking together is much more fun.
Let's do it again soon.
Definitely. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye, David.
Bye, Anna.
How was the story? I hope this conversation helped your English listening. Now, let me repeat the question from the beginning. Which kitchen tool was inside the drawer? Did you hear the answer? If you know it, please write it in the comments. Writing your answer in English will help you improve. On this channel, we share simple stories with slow conversations.
These stories help you learn English naturally. I will continue uploading more videos like this. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join our channel membership if you want to support us. Thank you for watching today. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.